Hello English learners. Let's learn action words today. Surprise. Every 3 out of 10 words are action words. That means this video is very important. There is a test at the end of the video to check your progress. So stay tuned till the end. Action words with sentences. Let's go.
Wait. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. Wait. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. Brush. I brush my teeth after breakfast. Brush. I brush my teeth after breakfast. Shower. I shower before getting dressed. Shower. I shower before getting dressed. Dress. I dress in casual clothes for work. Dress. I dress in casual clothes for work. Eat. I eat oatmeal for breakfast. Eat. I eat oatmeal for breakfast. Drink. I drink coffee to start my day. Drink. I drink coffee to start my day. Drive. I drive to work in rush hour traffic. Drive. I drive to work in rush hour traffic. Work. I work on reports in the morning. Work. I work on reports in the morning. Meet. I meet with clients after lunch. Meet. I meet with clients after lunch. Plan. I plan my tasks for the week ahead. Plan. I plan my tasks for the week ahead. Exercise. I exercise at the gym after work. Exercise. I exercise at the gym after work. Cook. I cook dinner for my family. Cook. I cook dinner for my family. Clean. I clean the kitchen before bed. Clean. I clean the kitchen before bed. Study. I study Spanish for 30 minutes each night. Study. I study Spanish for 30 minutes each night. Relax. I relax with a book before sleeping. Relax. I relax with a book before sleeping. Watch. I watch TV before going to bed. Watch. I watch TV before going to bed. Listen. Listen to music while doing chores. Listen. I listen to music while doing chores. Shop. I shop for groceries every Sunday. Shop. I shop for groceries every Sunday. Organize. I organize my desk before starting work. Organize. I organize my desk before starting work. Write. I write in my journal every evening. Write. I write in my journal every evening. Read. I read the news online in the morning. Read. I read the news online in the morning. Text. I text my friends during my lunch break. Text. I text my friends during my lunch break. Call. I call my parents every weekend. Call. I call my parents every weekend. Meditate. I meditate for 10 minutes before bed. Meditate. I meditate for 10 minutes before bed. Stretch. I stretch before and after exercising. Stretch. I stretch before and after exercising. Pay. I pay bills at the beginning of the month. Pay. I pay bills at the beginning of the month. Review. I review my goals every month. Review. I review my goals every month. Dance. I dance while cooking dinner. Dance. I dance while cooking dinner. Play. I play the guitar for relaxation. Play. I play the guitar for relaxation. Laugh. I laugh with my colleagues at lunch. Laugh. I laugh with my colleagues at lunch. Hug. I hug my kids before they go to school. Hug. I hug my kids before they go to school. Create. I create art on weekends. Create. I create art on weekends. Travel. I travel to work by train. Travel. I travel to work by train. Jog. I jog in the park every evening. Jog. I jog in the park every evening. What? I walk my dog before breakfast. What? I walk my dog before breakfast. Help. I help my neighbor with gardening. Help. I help my neighbor with gardening. Rest. I rest my eyes for a few minutes between tasks. Rest. I rest my eyes for a few minutes between tasks. Teach. I teach yoga classes on Saturdays. Teach. I teach yoga classes on Saturdays. Learn. I learn new recipes from cooking shows. Learn. I learn new recipes from cooking shows. Fix. I fix things around the house on Saturdays. Fix. I fix things around the house on Saturdays. Nap. I take a short nap after lunch. Nap. I take a short nap after lunch. Smile. I smile at strangers on my way to work. Smile. I smile at strangers on my way to work. Chat. I chat with colleagues during coffee breaks. Chat. I chat with colleagues during coffee breaks. Inspire. I inspire others through my actions. Inspire. I inspire others through my actions. Save. I save money by cooking at home. Save. I save money by cooking at home. Reflect. I reflect on my day before sleeping. Reflect. I reflect on my day before sleeping. Breathe. I breathe deeply to calm my nerves. Breathe. I breathe deeply to calm my nerves. It's time for quiz. Let's take some questions from the video to check your progress. Write. Read. Text. Call. Meditate. Stretch. Pay. Walk. Have you enjoyed the video? Give your feedback in the comment below.